Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. There is one common mistake that people often make, and that can result into expensive repairs, thousands of dollars in replacing computers, modules. We'll explain what it is, how we know about it. It happened to us back in the day, so we want to make sure you don't do that and don't spend money that you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Charger or Dodge Challenger. If you want to see how to replace car battery, why we mention these two vehicles, because they're built on the same platform. Multiple things will be the same, guys. We'll explain how to do that in this video today, step by step. Common mistake people make when replacing car battery that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what it is. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine lights, fuses, transmission. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, if you have a Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger, okay, you wonder how to replace the car battery, let's explain now. The battery is located in the trunk. So what we have to do, open the trunk. And if you come right here, guys, okay, it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So make sure you follow the whole procedure, guys. And when we come here, the first thing, okay, that we need to do, we need to disconnect, guys, okay. We need to first disconnect the negative terminal. That will be number one thing. So while we're doing that, 1 second, let me grab the other wrench, okay, right here. And okay, this is the ratcheting wrench. It's a little bit more convenient. And we're going to disconnect, okay, the negative terminal. Make sure they don't touch any metal body parts after you remove them, guys. That's the battery sensor right there. Make sure that this sensor, okay, is not yanked on, pulled on, because that can damage it, and it's quite expensive. Always use gloves when you replace car battery, because there might be acid. That acid can actually, guys, get on your skin. It can be quite bad. It can burn your skin, guys. Next, remove the positive terminal. Now just hold it on this side right here. It's good if you have a second person, okay, helping you with some things, guys. After that, that strap right here, you need to go ahead, okay, and release it. Press on the thing and release the strap. We have one mount on the bottom, which is a 10mm socket, guys, right there. We're going to go ahead and, okay, get that bolt all the way loose. That's what we're doing next, guys. Perfect. We're going to go ahead, grab it, pull it out, and now we're ready to lift that car battery up and remove it out of the vehicle, guys. Okay, just like this one. It's out, as you can see. That will be the time, if you have spilled acid, anything like that, that will be the time to clean it. This is the breather hose. Make sure you connect it. This one was disconnected. That breather hose supposed to stay right here, okay. That way, guys, okay, when the battery breathes, all that exits outside. So now we get the new battery. This is an H7 battery. If you need to buy replacement battery at a really good price, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. It will be delivered to your house. You don't even need to return the old one. This is an H8. Now that's what we'll be doing. We're actually upgrading one size bigger for the winter, and it works quite well. We tried it before on other Dodge Challengers, and you can use it either way, H7 or H8. Opa, 1 second. We got the sensor there, the battery sensor on the other side. Make sure it's good. Okay. Perfect. Let's see if it's in. We need to go ahead. Okay, we switched it the other way. We need to, okay, that's number one mistake people make. We wanted to show you. You see, you got the terminals the wrong way. When that happens, if you connect the wires, you wonder what happens. You can definitely burn modules in computers, but it could be super simple fix too if you make that mistake. We'll have the video on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. What will happen if you connect the wrong battery terminal? It's quite interesting video, guys. You see some sparks flying. We did it on purpose on the car so you can see what happens. And here, now, okay, we're going to go ahead, okay, position everything, and we're going to get the strap now. Okay, this strap will go right here, okay, and we're going to strap it down. So guys, now the strap, okay, you get that strap, and here, okay, we're going to go ahead and install on the back side, okay, it goes in that clip there. Perfect, just like this one. Now we press on it and we pull. Now we need to situate the battery where it's supposed to stay. We need to screw it over this way. Push on it, it needs to go where it's supposed to stay. Then get it as tight as you can, guys, okay? As tight as you can so it doesn't move anywhere. Now, here, if you are using, guys, okay, if you're using H8 battery, it will work as well. You have another hole mount right there, but that hole, okay, you will need to use a washer, or you will need to, we'll recommend the correct way. Okay, you can see this is your engine battery mount now, right? There will be a different kind of mount, and that mount, guys, okay, will be just a little bit thinner. So we'll recommend to get the correct one or the correct battery, it's up to you. Now here it's going to be quite interesting trying to get that thing, so not to waste your time dropping the board, let's install it and then, okay, we will continue. So what we're going to do, we're going to install a little bit of silicone, guys, a little bit more, so it can get stuck to the socket and not to drop it, because it's very limited amount of space now, guys. There, watch, now it should stay, right? And if we don't bump it too much, oh, right there, we're going to go ahead and tighten it. Okay, perfect. So we're going to get this one tight. Make sure you install the battery the correct way, right? Terminals. Perfect. Okay, that battery is not going anywhere. Now we're going to install first the positive terminal. Positive terminals goes first, always, and make sure you get it tight. We might need to put it loose in it a little bit more, because that sometimes newer batteries will have, okay, a little bit wider terminals. Don't hit them with a hammer or anything like that to push them in, because that can cause damage to your battery. On the internal damage can disconnect cells and you can shorten the life span of your battery. Perfect. Next, okay, we're going to connect the negative terminal right here. You may see some sparks flying. If you do, that's perfectly normal, and don't freak out, because see, the lights modules will start waking up. Okay, perfect. So that's how you guys replace the battery on Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.